The Indian healthcare sector is experiencing substantial growth and the market capitalization is likely to double from what it was 3 years ago. To match up with this demand, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham at its Faridabad campus is offering the prestigious course of Masters in Hospital Administration in addition to the MBBS and Allied Health Science courses.
Choosing the MHA program at Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham has definitely been the best decisions of my academic journey. I am in my second semester right now and I can say that the curriculum is thoughtfully designed with providing practical exposure across the hospital as well.
The 2 years full-time course in Hospital Administration offers didactic lectures, case-based studies, as well as visit to the various departments in the hospital, which is a 2600-bedded super specialty teaching hospital at Faridabad.
We are getting hands-on learning through our hospital orientation in various departments.
Subject experts like finance, marketing, MRD, administration, and planning and designing healthcare, etc. gives us additional lecture.
We are getting hands-on learning like making policies and involved in audits that help us to gain a knowledge according to our curriculum.
The students here are actively encouraged to participate in various specialty conferences and present their research papers.
We have also been given opportunities of organizing workshops and CMEs ourselves and be the part of the team, which has helped me gain confidence and also gain experience while studying.
Since I have exposure of a various department in our hospital, I am more confident that if I will get opportunity in any organization, I will be able to perform from day one.
The comprehensive grooming and training at Amrita School of Medicine prepares these students for the careers in hospital administration, both in public as well as private sector.
I am very happy and confident that I have chosen the best.
Amrita is not only shaping us as students, but also as future leaders.
We are currently inviting applications for the second batch of MHA course, which starts in July 2025.